what is that one thing that Shivani is talking about, and why does she recommend that to each and every human being? So that one thing, drum roll, just kidding. So that one thing that I recommend to each and every one of you is meditation. Now, I cannot emphasize enough on the importance of meditation in each and every one of our life. Meditation, if you don't get to the depths of it, or just to put it simply, it is being in a place, being in a state of mind where you close your eyes and you focus on your breathing. You focus on in and out of breaths, and you try to be where you are. Now, if you have not done meditation ever in your life, I know it's going to be difficult. Like at first, you will sit and you will have 1,000 thoughts. It won't work out. Your body will tell you that you cannot do this. You would rather check your phone. And there will be a lot of obstacles coming your way, which would make you feel that, okay, I don't want to do this. Oh, meditation, maybe it's related to Hinduism. I'm an atheist, I won't do it. Oh, meditation, it's probably some voodoo or like black magic or witchcraft, I'm not going to do it. There could be a lot of reasons which will which could take you away from it. But forget everything when you think about meditation. Forget Hinduism, forget India, forget yoga, forget everything. Meditation is basically time with yourself, where you try to equalize the balance between your spiritual body and your material body, your physical body, your mind, and your soul. And you try to harmonize. Like, for example, you know how social interactions and being the social being that we are is so important. I think equally, like however important external connections and external interactions is, internal connection and internal interactions are as important. So when you sit down with your eyes closed and look within, it is your internal journey, which in turn helps you to be more efficient in external journey. So without a doubt, I will tell you that once you start meditating, start with like 5 minutes of just closing your eyes, sit in a cross-legged position. Don't focus on anything. You don't have to imagine Om, or you don't have to imagine blank space. Just let your thoughts come and be a spectator. Don't involve. Remember that you don't want to involve yourself in those thoughts. Just be a spectator. And eventually, when you start increasing the time, you will see that the thoughts have sort of like slowed down in process, and you will experience those milliseconds of peace. Now our goal is to eventually increase those milliseconds into seconds and those seconds into minutes, where we can have that balance within and without, have that balance internally and externally. And yeah, I mean, like, it's very important, and I really wish that everybody gives themselves 5 minutes of time without the phone, without the boyfriend, husband, without depression, without, give yourself those 5 minutes of that blank space where you sit with your eyes closed and you breathe. Just breathe. Sometimes I wonder how, the importance of breathing. Like, breathing is everything that there is. Like, it's it's how we are alive. But we don't put enough, emphasis, or we don't give enough attention to breathing. So what meditation does is that those 5 minutes, although you are breathing 24 hours a day, you've been breathing all your life, but just for those 5 to 10 minutes, you pay attention. And once you start paying attention, even in those 5 minutes, you can, eventually pay attention to it throughout the day. And meditation can definitely regulate your anger issues, your too much of ups and downs in emotions. Like, once you have that key of meditation, things definitely become a lot more smoother. And yeah, it creates a balance, which I wish that everybody has the key to, no matter what. Also, meditation creates eventually, when you start meditating within a week or something, you will start realizing that it is sort of creating this distance between your sense gratification and your deeper knowledge within self. Like, you will feel more in control in terms of things that you do for pleasure, for sense pleasure. And that distance, I don't know, man, it really creates this harmony within your body, and it takes you to this deeper knowledge which one has, like, which every human, every individual has its own journey on. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, this whole balance, this overall health. So for example, how we go to the gym or we work out or engage in any physical activity every day so that our physical body is maintained. Similarly, if we want to play guitar, we practice it every day, so we have that just to be in practice. Similarly, meditation, if done every day, keeps your mind and your soul and your body in this harmony, which makes you so good for the entire day. So it is as good as going to the gym, because you are exercising, you are practicing towards this peace, this mental stability that will help you in your overall health and your overall life. If you found this episode interesting, maybe we can get into the depths of it and we can discuss more. And that was it. So if you are thinking about adding a new addition in your life and you might not know what that is, then I definitely recommend meditation to you. Thanks a lot for listening.